How to reset your Steam password. If you wish to reset your password on Steam, it's fairly simple to do so. So right here you can see maybe I'm not being able to sign in because I forgot my account name or my password. Well, in any case, what I have to do is I just need to select this option called help. I need help signing in or I can't sign in button right here. You'll get this little pop-up. Select the option I forgot my Steam account name or password. Here simply enter the email address associated with your Steam account. So let me quickly go ahead and then do that. And after I've done that, I just need to verify this I'm not a robot CAPTCHA right here. And I'll just go ahead and then finish this little puzzle like this. And once done, I'll just select the verify button. Now I'll just click on the search button. It will search for my Steam account. So I can select email and account verification code to my email, or I no longer have access. I'll select email and account verification code. So here account verification link will be sent to my email. So all I have to do is just go ahead and then log into my email and check if I've received the email from here. And here you can see I can see this option right here that says Steam account recovery. So I can select that and I can select the option called resume recovery option. On the next page, you can see this is my account name, and as for my password, I can click on the reset my password button right here, and I should be able to simply enter the new password that I might want to change to and reconfirm by typing in the new password again that I want to change to, and just click on the change password button. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.